Hey, what's up guys? We're going to take a look today at the kayak rig that I'm running for the 2025 tournament season. It's my everyday fishing kayak, but I specifically rigged this in such a way that it's effective for me when it comes to tournament fishing. So, I mean, you've got a little bit of a view of it here, but we're going to take the camera off the tripod. I'm going to walk around, show you a little bit of what I've done, anything custom that I've thrown on here, and just kind of talk you guys through it. And if you have any questions, make sure that you drop those in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer everyone. But let's get the camera flipped around and I'll show you what I've got done. All right, well, we'll just start right at the front, and I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on the stuff that you already know about when it comes to the Oldtown Autopilot, but everything's powered by the Minn Kota, or not powered, but propelled by the Minn Kota power drive trolling motor with spot lock, so I'm pretty excited about that. The first custom thing that I did, and I need to trim off those, so good that we found this, was I added in this center console. It's not exactly the one that I wanted to go with, but I'm pretty happy with it overall. It's made from a very strong composite, so it's held up very well. And to that we have our 93 SV. It's just on the standard Garmin mount, and that runs power runs into the through hole system here to the battery setup that I have at the back of the kayak. But you can see here it's got a pretty good view from the center console area, and everything is close enough that I can still reach it. So pretty happy about it. The next thing that we have is the Railblazer transducer mount, and so far I'm pretty happy with it. There's some things about it I would really like to change, but that's for an entirely different video. And we're running a live scope LVS 34 on this rig, so yeah, we had to have a transducer mount that could handle that. As we look at the console, obviously I don't have the battery in right now. It's cold, everything's on the charger, but primary trolling motor battery is here, and then all of the electronic components for my kayak are inside, and everything is powered by Yak Power amped lithium batteries right now. And yeah, so I won't show you the guts in there, it gets a little messy, so we're not going to talk about that. A couple of other modifications that I made. Well, actually, let's start right here. The cup holders. So if you've had an Oldtown kayak, you know that the cup holders are a little bit crazy. So I watched a video from Casey, I think it's Casey Reed. I'm going to get his name mixed up. I will make sure to link that video below. I want you guys to go check it out. But just a very simple solution to get the cup holders to drain, and it only cost me a couple of bucks. So I was pretty happy with that. Next modification, added a secondary power port right here. This is for I have another 100 amp hour lithium battery that I run in the back of the kayak that plugs in here. It powers this USB and USB-C outlet right here. It powers the 93 SV. It powers the live scope. It powers the lights that I have here. And then I run a third battery, which is just a little 30 amp hour extra that I had for the micro power pole, and this is a brand new addition. It hasn't even seen water yet, so that's there. Also added the seat risers from Navarre Kayak Fishing. That's where the center console came from, if I didn't say that, Navarre. And then I just got the offset mount for the micro power pole for that today too. So I got the power pole switch mounted there, and then there's the remote for the trolling motor. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. I know that that's super simplistic, guys. My tackle, everything sets in one of the Yak Attack boxes, sets in the back. 100 amp hour lithium batteries, which might be a bit excessive. Now a 30 amp hour, which I know is excessive. But you know, go big or go home, or sink and don't go home. Wear your PFD. But very quick video. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I know it's simple. If there's anything else that you guys would like to see on the kayak or have questions about how I've rigged something, what I've done, please let me know in the comments. Again, I will make sure that I do my best to answer every question that you have as it pertains to the kayak. I'm not going to be internet dad this week, so yeah, just drop a comment. Let me know what you think, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and we'll see you next time. Appreciate you guys.